Dear students, we are in Bridge Course program for junior JE students. In the Bridge Course program, we are handling the topic trigonometry. Trigonometry, Maths 1A textbook. Exercise 6A is going on. Exercise 6A, page number 233. In yesterday class, we have discussed two questions in fourth one. Page 223, page 233. Page 233, Roman number 1, general number 4. Two questions completed, third and fourth. Today's schedule, third and fourth. Fifth one for first and second. In this third question, find the value of sine 330 degrees, sine 330 degrees, cos 120 degrees plus cos 210 degrees into sine 300 degrees. That is equal to, we can write this one as sine 360 degrees minus 30 degrees into cos 180 plus 30 degrees plus cos 180 plus 30 degrees. This is 120 students, so 180 minus 60 you can write. Cos 180 plus 30 degrees into sine 360 minus 60 degrees. We should find unknown value from known value. That is equal to here sine of 360 minus theta minus sine theta. This is minus sine 30 degrees into cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So it is minus cos 60. Here cos 180 plus theta means minus cos theta minus cos of 30 degrees into sine 360 minus 60 minus sine 60. So minus of minus plus here sine 30 into cos 60. Sine 30 cos 60 plus sine 60 cos 30. We can use the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is sin of A plus B. So sin 30 plus 60. That is equal to sin 90, value is 1. Now let us discuss fourth question. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3, if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3, find cos theta and determine where the theta lies in which quadrant. Theta lies in which quadrant? Let us remember a formula. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to P, that implies cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by P. Depends upon that formula. We can write cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3. And here cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 3. We need to calculate cos theta. Let us add the two equations. We will get 2 cosec theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. Here 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. 2 cosec theta is equal to 10 by 3. So cosec theta is equal to 5 by 3. Here 5 by 3 is positive. Cosec theta is positive, maybe second quadrant or first quadrant. Now once again we do the simplification as subtracting. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by 3. Next cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 3. Subtract this one, so this becomes minus, this is plus. So here 2 cot theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3. Take an LCM. It is 3, 1 minus 9, so it is minus 8 by 3. So cot theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. It is negative. You can understand that cosec theta is positive and cot theta is negative. So theta belongs to Q2 in second quadrant. Now we need to calculate cos theta. So cot theta by cosec theta, you write cot theta by cosec theta becomes minus 4 by 3 by 5 by 3, 3 get cancelled. Cot means here cos theta by sin theta. By cosec theta meaning 1 by sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. Sin theta get cancelled. Therefore, cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. And the theta belongs to Q2. Theta is in second quadrant. Now let us discuss 2 marks IMP question in fifth one. Fifth question. If sin alpha plus cosec alpha is equal to 2. If sin alpha plus cosecant alpha is equal to 2, find the value of sin power n alpha plus cosec power n alpha. Find sin power n alpha plus cosecant power n alpha. N belongs to Z. Z means integers, positive or negative. If the question given an objective, you can put shortcut, put alpha is equal to 90 degrees. Here, because this is IP, you should not put shortcut. Whenever you put shortcut, alpha is equal to 90 to sin. Because cosec, cosine 90 equal to 1, cosec 90 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1 for anything 1. 1 for anything 1, the answer is simply 2. Now for I to E, you should do like this. Sin alpha plus, instead of cosec alpha, you can write the reciprocal 1 by sin alpha. Given the given value sin alpha plus 1 by sin alpha equal to, take an LCM, sin square alpha plus 1 whole by sin alpha is equal to 2. That implies sin square alpha, this one taken this side, it becomes minus 2 sin alpha plus 1 equal to 1. Plus 1 equal to 0. So sin alpha minus 1 equal to 0 is right. Sin alpha minus 1 equal to 0, sin alpha equal to 1. Whenever cosec alpha is the reciprocal of 1 by sin alpha, so 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now we can write sin power n alpha plus cosec power n alpha is equal to 1 power n plus 1 power n. 1 power anything is 1, you can understand. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is 2 marks IMP question. Next one, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 5. Students, you can do this one homework already. I said an example and just I rubber the question. Fifth question, fourth question, in the similar way, you calculate the value, do homework. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 5, find if secant theta plus tan theta equal to 5, find theta lies in which quadrant? Find theta lies in which quadrant and sin theta. So value of sin theta you can calculate and theta lies in which quadrant also you calculate. So homework I am giving previous examples also. So this is first homework today. Second homework, evaluate. Evaluate means to calculate the values. Evaluate first. Sin 210 degrees using allied angles you do. Page number 227 questions are there. Page number 227. Sin 210 degrees. Second one, cos 585 degrees. Third one, tan 480 degrees. Tan 480 and secant 510 degrees. Secant 510 degrees. Cosecant 750. Cosecant 750 and cot 765. Do all sums. Cot 765. This is 5 6. Total 6 questions. Tan 480 sin 210 secant 510 is there. Tan 480 sin 210 cos 585 tan 480. Yeah, total 6 questions and this is 1%. Today homework I given 7 questions, students. Now let us calculate Roman number 2, page number 233, exercise 6A. Prove that Roman number 2, first question, prove that cos of pi minus a into cos of pi by 2 plus a into cos of minus a whole by tan of pi plus a into tan of 3 pi by 2 plus a into sin of 2 pi minus a is equal to cos a. Is equal to cos a. Now taking LHS, you can understand pi means 180 degrees and pi by 2 meaning 90 degrees. If it is 2 pi, it is 360 degrees. Now cos 180 minus theta, so I am writing into angles, allied angles model. This is cos 180 minus a and this is cos 90 plus a. Cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Tan 180 plus A. This is tan 180 plus A into tan 270 plus A into sin 360 minus A. Sin 360 minus A. Cos 180 minus theta becomes minus cos theta, so it is minus cos A into cos 90 plus A, meaning minus sin A, into this is cos A whole by tan 180 plus theta, tan theta, it is tan theta, tan 270 plus means fourth quadrant, 270 plus fourth quadrant, tan minus and function will be changed as cot, minus cot A into sin of 360 minus A, so it is minus sin A. So minus of minus because positive, sin A and sin A will be getting cancelled. Now tan A into cot A becomes 1. We got cos A into cos A. Cos square here we got. Tan of pi plus A. Here cos of pi minus A, cot of 9. Here students given cot COT, it is not cos. Cot. So cot of 90 plus A becomes COT. This is minus cos A, and the cot of 90 plus A becomes minus tan A. This is minus tan A into here it is cos A. Whole by this is tan A into tan 270 plus A minus cot A is correct. Sin of 360 minus A minus sin A. So tan A into cot A becomes minus 1, minus of minus plus, minus of minus plus. You can write tan A get cancelled. You can write here cos A into cos A by minus of minus becomes plus. You can write cos A by sin A because it is cot A. Cot A can be written as cos A by sin A into sin A. So sin A get cancelled, this cos A get cancelled. We got cos A. So it is RHS. From LHS to RHS we got the value. Now let us discuss second one. Second one, sin of 3 pi minus A. Sin of 3 pi minus A into cos of A minus pi by 2. Cos of A minus pi by 2 into tan of 3 pi by 2 minus A. Tan of 3 pi by 2 minus A whole by cosecant of 13 pi by 2 plus A. Cosecant of 13 pi by 2 plus A into secant of 3 pi plus A into cot of A minus pi by 2. Cot of A minus pi by 2 is equal to cos power 4A. Sin of 3 pi minus A into cos of A minus pi by 2 into tan of 3 pi by 2 minus A by cosecant of 13 pi by 2 plus A into secant of 3 pi plus A into cot of A minus pi by 2. We can convert this one as sin of 2 pi plus pi minus A. 2 pi is nothing but 0 into cos of, you can write this one as pi by 2 minus A. Students, minus taken common. We know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta only, not minus. That is why you can write directly. Next one, tan. This is 270 minus A. Tan 3 pi by 2 means 270 minus A. Whole by cosecant of 6 pi plus pi by 2 plus A, you can write 6 pi by 2 plus A. 6 to the 12 plus 1. So 13 pi by 2 becomes 6 pi plus pi by 2 into secant this one as 2 pi plus A into Take in minus common, minus cot of 5 by 2 minus 6. Because cot of minus theta is minus cos theta. Sin of 2 pi plus pi minus a. Whenever 2 pi is there, you can consider it is nothing but 0. So sin pi minus a, I am writing this one into degrees. Sin 180 minus a into cos of 90 minus a. Cos of 90 minus a into tan 270 minus a. Tan 270 minus a whole by cosec of pi by 2. Cosec of 6 pi is nothing but 0. So you can write this one as 90 plus a into secant of 2 pi plus pi plus a. Secant of 2 pi means 0. So 2 pi plus a. Secant 180 plus a. Secant 180 degrees plus a into minus cot of 90 degrees minus a. So that is equal to sin 180 minus theta, only sin theta according to all silver teacups alloyed angles formula. Cos 90 minus a is sin a and tan 270 minus a is cot a. Whole by cosec 90 plus a, it is secant. Secant 180 plus a means minus secant a. Minus cot of 90 minus a means minus cot 90 minus theta minus tan theta. So here minus simply minus tan. Cot 90 minus a means only tan a. Minus and minus becomes plus. Here you can write sin square a. Sin square a into cos a by sin a. Whole by minus of minus becomes plus secant square a. You can write secant square a means 1 by cos square a into tan a means sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. That is equal to, we can write sin square a into cos a by here. That cos a becomes cos cube a here. By here sin a. Already sin a is there in the number. Sin a into sin a will be getting answer sin square a. Cos a into cos cube a, we got cos power 4a. Cos power 4a. It is RHS. Cos power 4a we should prove. Cos power 4a is RHS. Now the values. Third question, sin of 780 degrees. Third question, sin of 780 degrees. Sin of 780 degrees into sin 480 degrees. Sin 780 into sin 480 plus cos 240 into cos 300 plus cos 240 into cos 300 is equal to 1 by 2. The unknown values can be converted from known values. So it is sin of 720 plus 60 into sin of, this is 360 plus 120 plus cos of, this is 180 plus 60 into cos of 360 minus 60. This is LHS converted from alloyed angles. This is LHS. Sin 720 is nothing but 0. So sin 60 you can write Sin 360 is also nothing but 0. This is sin 120. Cos 180 plus 60. Cos 180 plus theta means minus cos theta. So it is minus cos 60 into cos 360 minus 60 is cos theta simply. So it is cos 60. Sin 60 cos 60, you can write the values. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta, so sin 120 also sin 180 minus 60 sin 60, so sin 60 value root 3 by 2 you can write here. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 minus this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, it is 1 by 2. It is RHS. Now fourth question. Sin 150. Sin 150 degrees. Sin 150 degrees minus 5 cos 300 degrees plus 7 tan 225 degrees. 7 tan 225 degrees by tan 135. Tan 135 plus 3 sin 210. 3 sin 210 is equal to minus 2. Sin 150 minus 5 cos 300 plus 7 tan 225 by tan 135 plus 3 sin 210 is equal to minus 2. Let us consider the values. Take LHS here. Sin of this can be written as 90 plus 60 or 180 minus 30. Minus 5 cos this is 360 minus 60 plus 7 tan of 180 plus 45. 7 tan of 180 plus 45 whole by tan of this is 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 plus 3 sin 180 plus 30 degrees. That is equal to sin 90 plus 60 value cos 60 minus 5 cos 180 cos 360 minus theta cos theta only cos 60 plus 7 tan 180 plus 45 7 tan 45 tan 180 plus theta tan theta by tan 90 plus theta minus cot theta. So it is minus cot 45 plus 3 sin 180 plus theta means sin 180 plus theta minus sin theta 3 sin 30 degrees. The values, substitute the values and get the value here. Here you can find cos 60 value 1 by minus 5 by plus 7 into tan 45 value 1 whole by minus cot 45 minus 1 is minus 3 into 1 by 2. You can write 1 minus 5 LCM. Take LCM 1 minus 5 plus 2 7s are 14 whole by 2 whole by minus 2 minus 3 whole by 2. 2 get cancelled. This is 14 plus 1 15 minus 5 10 by minus 5. 10 by minus 5 becomes minus 2. This is RHS. Now fifth question. It is most IMP 2 marks question. Cot 5 by 20, cot 3 by 20, cot 5 by 20, cot 7 by 20, cot 5 by 20 equal to 1. 2 marks most IMP. Cot 5 by 20, cot 3 by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, into cot 9 pi by 20 equal to 1. We should prove this one. You can understand pi is equal to 180, pi by 9 is equal to 180 by 9 becomes 20 degrees. LHS is cot 9 degrees, cot 9 into cot 27 into cot 45 into cot 63 into cot 81 degrees. This is LHS. I said the formula in previous class. It is shortcut of objective. If a plus b is equal to 90, then cot a into cot b equal to 1. Directly you can write 9 and 81, 90, so the product is 1, 27 and 63, 90, the product is 1. Of course, cot 45 value is 1, so 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It is shortcut. Directly you can say in objective. But in IPE, we should write like this. Cot 9 degrees, just the side we said write cot 81 degrees. Put a bracket here. And cot 27 degrees, just side we said you can write cot 63 degrees into cot 45 value 1. Now you can write cot 9 degrees into this can be written as cot of 90 minus 9 into cot 27 degrees into cot of this can be written as 90 minus 27. So cot 9 degrees into cot 90 minus theta tan theta, it is tan 9. This is also cot 27 into cot 90 minus theta tan theta, it is tan 27. We know the value, the formula cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. So that is equal here 1 into 1 becomes 1. It is RHS. RHS. Now let us discuss about second Roman. In the second Roman, second sum is there. Simplify. In second Roman, first one, simplify sine of minus 11 pi by 3 tan of 35 pi by 6 into secant of minus 7 pi by 3 whole by cos of 5 pi by 4 into cosecant of 7 pi by 4 into cos of 17 pi by 6. 17 pi by 6. Students, sine of minus theta becomes minus sine theta, so minus sine 11 pi by 3. Tan, we can write another step also. From known value to unknown value, you can write here. That is equal to first minus sine, you can write this one. 4 pi minus pi by 3, you can write. Before that, draw minus 1, like a conversion. This is the tan of 6 pi plus 5 pi by 6. 6 6 are 36 plus 5, so 41. So it is 5 pi. So if we write 8 pi, multiple of 6 only we should do. 35. 6, this is 5. 6 5 is 35. Yeah, 6. So it is 5 pi. 5 pi means once again we should convert it. 5 by 6. If we write this one by second multiple 6, we take 6 by 6 is 30, it is better. 6 by minus 5 by 6, right? 6 6 are 36 minus 1, 35, it is right. Secant of minus theta, secant theta, secant is 7 pi by 3, you can take 2 pi plus 5 by 3. Secant of minus theta is secant theta. Now cos 5 pi by 4 becomes cos 5 plus 5 by 4. These are called as conversions. Next, cosecant 7 pi by 4 becomes cosecant 2 pi minus 5 by 4. Next, cos 17 pi by 6 becomes here 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. If we take it is 4 24 3 pi minus 5 by 6. 6 3 are 18 pi minus 1. So 3 pi means once again should write it. So let us write 2 pi plus 5 pi by 6. It is better. Next, you can understand sin 4 pi means it is nothing but 0. So minus sine of minus 60 I am writing. Into tan it is minus 30. Into secant 60. Secant 60 whole by this is cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta, so minus cos 45. Pi means 180, you can understand the value. This is nothing but 0, so minus cosecant of 45. This is minus cosecant of 45 into this is 0, so it is cos 150 degrees. Once again we should convert the value. Here sin of minus theta becomes minus sin theta, so it is minus sin 60 degrees into tan of minus plus and minus tan 30 here, minus right. Sin 60 into this is tan 30 into secant 60 degrees whole by minus into minus becomes plus, so it is cos 45 into cosec 45 into cos 150. Once again you can write cos 180 minus 30. Cos 180 minus 30 becomes minus cos 30. Here you can write this is minus sin 60 into tan 30 into secant 60 whole by cos 45. Cos 180 minus 30 becomes minus cos 30. So put minus here. Minus full cut cos 45 cosec 45 into this is cos 30. Minus numerator denominator will get cancelled. Write the values now. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into tan 30 value 1 by root 3 into secant 60 value 2 whole by this is 1 by root 2 and this is root 2 and this is root 3 by 2. That is equal to, we can write numerator 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 we have whole by root 2 into root, simply write like this, root 2 into root 2 whole by 2 root 2 whole by 2 root 2. So you can write here 2 root 3 by 2 root 2, 2 root 3 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 3. Now you can understand this one get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. Answer is 2 by root 3. This is simplification. 2 by root 3. Just another question. Another question, if tan 20, second one, if tan 20 degrees is equal to P, prove that tan 20 degrees is equal to P, prove that tan 610 degrees, 610 degrees plus tan 700 degrees, tan 700 degrees by tan 560 minus tan 470. Tan 560 minus tan 470 is equal to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. Now, given tan 20 is equal to p, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Using the formula, you can write instead of cot 20, it is 1 by tan 20, that is equal to 1 by p. Now, take LHS. Tan 610 degrees can be written as tan 720 minus 110. Unknown value you are knowing from known value you are getting. Tan 720 minus 20 whole by tan 560 can be written as this one also 720 minus 160 minus tan 470 can be written as 360 plus 110. That is equal to tan 720 is nothing but 0. You can write this is tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Here also tan of directly 20 you can write. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta comes in. Here also minus tan 160 degrees. Tan 360 plus theta means 0. So it is minus tan 110 degrees. So total overall minus is there. You can get cancel minus. Becomes tan 110 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by tan 160 degrees plus tan 110 degrees. That is equal to, we can write tan 90 plus 20. 90 degrees plus 20 degrees plus this is simply tan 20 degrees whole by this is tan 180 minus 20 degrees. 180 minus 20 degrees plus this is tan 90 degrees plus 20 degrees. That is equal to tan 90 plus theta means minus cot theta. So this is minus cot 20 plus this is tan 20 whole by tan 180 minus theta becomes minus tan theta. So minus tan 20. Tan 90 plus 20 becomes minus cot 20. Minus cot 20. Minus cot 20 you can write minus 1 by p plus this is p whole by this is minus p, this is minus 1 by p. We can take here minus 1 plus p square by p whole by minus p square minus 1 whole by p, p taken common, minus take common in numerator and denominator also, it becomes 1 minus p square by minus of 1 plus p square or p square plus 1, minus and minus will be getting cancelled in numerator and denominator also. So it becomes 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. This is RHS. Okay students, we have completed some basic concept formula. Just I think we are going to enter in intermediate sums, not only in 10th class model. Maybe you have faced such sums in, of course you did not face this type of question in 10th class. Until now, whatever the sums I have discussed in Roman number 1 you face in 10th class. Tomorrow onwards you can ultimately say that intermediate is starting. So take care, every student has to write notes, and just whatever the notes you have written, put the pic into group. I will give homeworks hereafter. Okay students, let us continue in next class.